going, everyone? I'm Skazler. Today I'm back with a new script, and this time we're checking out a rival script. Before we get into it, I want to quickly mention that no matter whenever it takes, I provide direct scripts, no link for ties, no unnecessary ad links. I want to keep everything simple for you guys, because I genuinely appreciate the support you give me. Now, coming back to the script, this is a simple and easy-to-use rival script, and the version I'm showcasing today is the basic version. It doesn't require a key, while the script also has a key system and paid version with additional features. The script also advertises anti-cheat bypass protection, but remember that no script can guarantee zero risk. So if you're testing or playing something like this, an alternate account is a safer option. Now let's take a look at the features. First, we have silent aim and ESP. The aiming section also lets you choose between head and body, adjust the aim FOV, enable show POV, and control FOV Fill. But that's only the beginning. The script also includes fire rate and wall bang, along with several movement and gameplay options. You have auto win farmed, fly, infinite jumps, and speed, giving you quite a few different features to experiment with. There's also a music section with a device spoofer, where you can select options such as mobile, PC, console, and RTX Graphics. Another useful feature shown in the menu is staff detector, and everything is separated into tabs like main, MISC, Spoofer, and credits, keeping the interface simple and easy to navigate. Using it is also straightforward. Open your executor, paste the script, execute it inside Rivals, and once the menu appears, simply choose the features you want to use, just like I'm showing you in the video. If you want more scripts, updates, and exclusive scripts that I can't showcase directly on YouTube because of platform guidelines, you can join my Skazler Discord server. That's where I'll share additional scripts and updates whenever possible. And before we finish, I also want to mention Eclipsera Legends, a game my team and I are building. It's a fantasy RPG and strategy game where you can collect and develop characters, build and defend your kingdom, fight enemies, play PvE and PvP, develop your economy, and compete in seasonal competitions. You can also play with other players, chat with the community, and keep progressing through different systems. We've put a lot of time into building Eclipsera Legends, so if you want to support me and my team, I'd really appreciate it if you gave the game a try and join the community. You'll find the game and Discord links in the description and pinned comment. That's everything for today's video. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.